Your Yamaha Outboards power trim and tilt unit is well designed and requires minimal maintenance, even in saltwater environments. To keep the unit operating as it should, periodically check the rams for any type of corrosion and use some Yamaha marine grease to actually lubricate the ends of the trim rams. This helps prevent wear and corrosion. If you're storing your boat and outboard for longer periods, use the built-in engine bracket to maintain the engine's tilt-up position. Then fully withdraw the tilt rams to bathe them in corrosion-preventing Yamaha power trim and tilt fluid. When towing, I use 2 engine supports to hold the engine in a safe tilt-up position without having the trim and tilt unit absorbing all the weight of the engine. If your power trim and tilt unit won't maintain a tilt-up position when the engine's stored or running, check the unit's fluid level and add if needed. If you see fluid outside the unit itself, have it inspected by an authorized Yamaha dealer, as there may be an issue with an internal seal or valve. When it comes to achieving peak performance, maintenance matters.